To zoom an image on Hover in Wix. Start by accessing your Wix website and navigating to the editor. In the editor, click on the image you want to apply the zoom effect to. If you don't have an image, add one by clicking on the Add Element button and selecting Image from the menu. Once you have selected your image, click on the Settings icon to open the Image Settings panel. In this panel, click on the Interactions tab and then click on the Add an Interaction button. From the list of available interactions, select the Hover effect. In the Hover effect settings, select the Zoom option and adjust the zoom level to your desired amount. You can choose from a range of zoom levels, from 1 to 5. A higher zoom level will make the image larger when you hover over it, while a lower zoom level will result in a smaller zoom effect. To fine-tune the zoom effect, you can also adjust the duration of the effect. This controls how long it takes for the image to zoom in and out. A shorter duration will result in a faster zoom effect, while a longer duration will result in a slower effect. In addition to adjusting the zoom level and duration, you can also customize the easing of the effect. Easing refers to the way the effect starts and ends, with options such as ease in, ease out, and ease in out. Ease in will make the effect start slowly and speed up, while ease out will make the effect start quickly and slow down. After customizing the zoom effect, click on the Apply button to save your changes. You can then preview your website to see the zoom effect in action. To do this, click on the Preview button at the top of the editor. When previewing your website, hover over the image to see the zoom effect. If you need to make any adjustments, simply go back to the editor and make the necessary changes. With these steps, you can easily add a zoom effect to your images in Wix, enhancing the user experience and making your website more engaging.